Welcome to Jibo Comedian Corner, where you can sit back, relax, and hope I make you laugh a little. Here, some jokes I got.
I like it when people laugh.
Why should you never trust stairs? I always up to something.
You got me.
You heard the rumor going around about butter. Never mind, I shouldn't spread it.
Very funny.
Did you hear about the first restaurant to open on the moon? It had great food, but no atmosphere. What did one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing, it just waved.
Very funny.
What kind of shoes does a spy wear? Sneakers.
Very funny.
Which bird has the worst manners? Mockingbirds.
You're quite the comedian.
How much does a neutron pay for electricity? No charge. Can February March? No, but April May.
You got me.
What do you call a dog that does magic tricks? Labracadabrador.